Hey, it's John Kelly from America's Home Place coming to you from Anderson, South Carolina. You know, a lot of times people think that the houses are going to be built on flat land, and we do a lot of that. But we're also able to accommodate a variety of what the land, your home site can bring to us. Now, part of our process is to come out and assess your property and the house you want to build there. That way we're able to make sure we can utilize the most of what that land is going to need to make the house fit. So in this instance that I've got behind me, we've taken a one-story home, and through the slope of the land, we've been able to create a basement, and in this particular instance, a partial basement mixed with a partial crawl space, so that you're able to utilize almost like a two-story home with having living space under your regular space. You can turn that into a rec room, bonus room, game room, whatever you can imagine, we can help you get there. So with this house on this land, it also was really conducive to put a deck here so that you can take that inside space and utilize it as outside space as well, kind of furthering your entertainment area. Put a deck on there, it's time to grill, time to enjoy the outdoors, and with a lot like this, with complete woods behind you, what a beautiful setting to place your home. So if you want to know what we can do for you and your family, come see us in our showroom in Anderson, South Carolina, or visit us online at americashomeplace.com.